After my last video showing how to start this 1946 Indian Chief and how to ride it, I got a lot of requests for people wanting some onboard footage to see what it's like from the rider's perspective. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do today. We're setting this one up camera wise a bit different than normal. Typically the view is a lot more forward. Since I'm going over controls, I'm going to try to got it on super view, but hopefully got it pointed down enough that you'll be able to see everything going on. So again, rocker clutch forward, tank shift forward is first, neutral second and third. No synchronizers, so it's always going to grind. Not too bad. We'll work on the timing over here. We'll work on the throttle here. Again, nothing spring loaded, so I can open it, leave it. Front brake, rear brake. And I should make sure, yeah, we got enough gas for this little run. So here we go. A little muddy back here yet, so we won't go too fast. Neutral second. We do have a lot of deer, so hopefully that won't become an issue while we're out riding today. Hit 2 deer on motorcycles and it's not any fun. Both on Indians too. Wow. Get out here to the main road. Gonna go forward neutral. Forward first. Climbing forward. Back to second. It's a little hard to show the clutch work, but I will try as I get going here. But as you're riding, for the most part, you know, while you're underway, your timing is going to be advanced all the way, and you're just manipulating the throttle. Back to third. Go straight. I'm going to take the little dead end road. So what I'm doing here, rocker forward, I'm going to put it into second, and then I'm going to use my heel and rocker back. Oh, and I didn't put it in second. It is easy to go between gears. So there's second. So you do have to be mindful of that. We want to go into third, same thing, rocker forward, back into third, rocker back. Just like a hand clutch, you know, if you're already rolling, it makes things easier. It's the exact exactly the same premise, just using your feet instead of your fingers. Now, front brake on these is subpar. The rear brake is where most of the brake capability is for this particular motorcycle. But this gets into a little private estate back here, so we're just going to do a quick turn. And again, everything's, enjoying the view instead of riding. Everything's really the same as a modern bike, with the exception of the manual timing control. It's just different locations. Third gear really gets right at my knee, so I've got to be careful to move my knee out of the way when I go into third to ensure I'm all the way engaged. Suspension isn't bad. The rear shocks, little plungers are really not very effective. But it's also got the spring in the seat, so that helps out a lot. My speedometer and tach doesn't work, so this bike doesn't really matter. I just ride my pace. I'm on back roads. Not really a city bike. It's got a headlight and a very weak tail light, and to me, drivers today just don't have the wherewithal to notice unless you've got big bright colors and bright blinking and shiny lights, so I stay off of the main paths. It's a beautiful day for a ride. Running about 50 degrees or so, low 50s, sunshine and blue skies. It's gorgeous. So back in the woods here. Put her up. just like on a hand shift. If you want to just coast along, you can throw the rocker switch down for the clutch. You can even let off and it'll be fine, since it's not spring loaded when you're ready to go again. Use that heel shifter or heel rocker. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for joining me on today's ride.